Today, your guardian angels have a special message for you. Remarkably, you've impacted this person in ways they can't even describe, especially after your last encounter. The angels affirm that you possess a unique magnetism, capable of evoking emotions so deep that they defy any attempt at verbal explanation. Your presence left them utterly speechless, especially after the last moment you spent together. You've always had the ability to stir their minds and make words evaporate. Their thoughts become muddled and disordered in your presence, an effect they've tried, unsuccessfully, to control. But the truth is, the force of attraction they feel toward you and the intensity of their feelings are overwhelming, too overpowering to contain. You have this extraordinary ability to make them nervous and excited at the same time, dismantling any semblance of composure they try to maintain. Ultimately, you make them feel things they themselves can't express with words, especially after the last time they saw you. And, particularly strikingly, the last encounter they had with you left an indelible impression on them, intensifying their feelings in a way they can barely comprehend. On that day, your presence was so overwhelming that it completely robbed them of their ability to express themselves verbally. They found themselves unable to look away, captured by the magnetism of your aura, and had no desire to do so. Your image remained etched in their mind, so vivid and persistent that they often find themselves revisiting it, even in moments when you're absent. Their thoughts invariably gravitate towards you, and the feelings this evokes are so intense that they emerge spontaneously, even in your physical absence. Finding the right words to describe these emotions has been a challenge for them, as none seem powerful enough to capture the essence of what they feel. They long to express the breadth of their emotions, wishing they could reveal how much you mean to them and the profound impact your beauty and presence have on their life. However, they're aware that words may not be enough to do justice to the depth and intensity of their feelings. Therefore, they ask that you don't interpret their silence or lack of communication as a lack of intense or complex feelings. Their silence, in fact, serves as a testament to the magnitude of their emotions, which are so vast and deep that they sometimes become inexpressible. Recognizing this may be challenging, which is why your guardian angels are sending this message, so that you understand that the difficulty in communicating doesn't diminish the reality of their feelings. Often, it can be extremely difficult for someone to verbalize emotions that have never been felt before, making it even more complicated to convey those sensations to another person, especially when those feelings are directed towards the person they impact the most. This doesn't imply that they don't deeply feel for you. On the contrary, it indicates an emotion so significant that it transcends the usual capacity for expression. Understand the overwhelming impact you have on people. Your presence, full of charisma and magnetism, has the rare ability to leave someone completely speechless, a power that few possess and many desire. It's essential that you recognize how unique this ability makes you. The way you affect them is uniquely yours. It's not something that can be replicated or experienced with anyone else. This makes you an incomparable figure in their life, a presence so striking that it sets you apart from all others. You're not just another person in their world, you are their world. The emotions you evoke in them are deep and personal, shaped by the essence of who you are. You're in a league of your own, playing a game that only you can play, and no one else even comes close to the level of influence you hold. Even as they consider other possibilities, their mind and heart inevitably lead them back to you, because no one else is capable of making them feel what you make them feel. This power is a testament to the unique connection you share, a bond that transcends the ordinary and rises to the extraordinary. They're aware of how desirable you are to many, a reality that only intensifies their fear of losing the opportunity to be with you. Others undoubtedly recognize your brilliance and could easily be drawn to your light. They acknowledge that their hesitation to express their feelings could open space for someone else to capture your attention. The awareness of this drives them to want to reveal their deepest feelings, so that they not only preserve the special bond they share, but also strengthen their connection. He understands the importance of not keeping his emotions hidden, as every passing moment is a chance that slips away. The last time he saw you intensified this urgency, causing his desire for you to grow even stronger, making him more present in his mind and more passionate in his heart. He is now determined to find the right words, the ones that can adequately express the magnitude of his adoration and the depth of his attraction. He knows that these words need to be said, and he needs to say them soon, before it's too late. It is of utmost importance to him that you deeply understand his feelings. With that in mind, he is dedicating himself to a period of introspection and reflection to find the exact words that can express the magnitude of his emotions. These words, he believes, may not yet exist in the common vocabulary, but he is committed to making the effort to shape his language in a way that can at least come close to conveying the intensity of what he feels for you. He acknowledges that you are a person who deserves to know the profound impact you have on him, how you awaken feelings of love and admiration that he has rarely experienced before. Therefore, he asks for your patience. You are someone of immeasurable value, worthy of genuine and deep love, and deserving to be with someone who not only understands that but also desires and is willing to express those feelings openly. If you share these feelings, he hopes that you can create a safe space where he can feel free to express his emotions without fear of being misunderstood or rejected. He wants his words, when finally found and spoken, to be received with the same intensity of love with which they are offered. Allow the love he feels for you to serve as a constant reminder of your own worth and the quality of treatment you should expect in any relationship. Do not settle for anything less than the respect and adoration you deserve. Embrace the love offered to you, understanding that you are worthy of much more than the minimum, is essential to maintaining your self-esteem and emotional well-being. You are a truly special person, capable of inspiring unique feelings in the people around you. This is something intrinsic to who you are, and it will not change, regardless of where you are or what you decide to do in your life. Your essence has the power to make others feel uplifted and loved, a rare and precious quality. So, as he tries to find the right words, those that can begin to describe the indescribable, remember the power and influence you naturally exert. Continue to live knowing that you are loved, that your actions and your being have a significant impact on others, and that you should always be treated with the utmost care and respect. This is the foundation upon which genuine and lasting feelings are built, and it is what he aspires to provide in every interaction with you. I want to end with a prayer for you. Lord, as she listens to these sincere and true words, may her spirit be deeply touched and her heart enveloped in a cloak of comfort and serenity. Allow her to feel the immense depth of the emotions these words carry, and to understand the immeasurable importance of her presence in the lives of those around her. Infuse her heart with the strength to fully embrace the love that surrounds her, that love that flows from all directions and manifests itself in the most varied forms. Grant her the wisdom to see herself as she truly is, a worthy, valuable, and integral being. May this perception bring a new light to her existence, illuminating the paths she walks and the choices she makes. May she move forward with her head held high and her heart firm, strengthened by the confidence and self-assurance that arise from the recognition that she is deeply loved and deserving of all the love and goodness that the universe has to offer. May she never doubt the love she receives, nor underestimate the capacity for love that resides in her heart. May every step she takes be guided by the certainty that she is not alone and that she is a source of inspiration to many. Amen. Take a moment to allow these words to resonate in your spirit. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 555 to claim this message and the blessings it holds for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness that feeds the cycle of good karma. You will be spreading positivity and receiving the blessings of the universe in return. And be on the lookout for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.